City Master can identify city, state, and country that reflect in all other master pages for selection. Company Master. Here, all the essential data related to CPA firm is filled, such as company name, logo, contact details of the company, bank details, registration details, and many other important details that will reflect throughout the software. That is, company name will reflect in all signatures of auto email and SMS, in invoice, salary slip, reports, etc. You can also set time zone that reflects in all related reports, and auto notifications will work based on selected time zone. If you want to add extra fields to manage some more information, or you want to show extra information in invoice copy, then you can add it from Field Master tab. Through Field Master page, you can add permanent field in Company Master, and you can use first two fields to show information in invoice copy. You can also add important company documents from Company Documents tab. In Multi-Company tab, you can add many companies that only reflect an accounting module, that is, invoice, receipt, advance, etc. In Currency tab, you can define primary currency and enable other currency and define its rate with primary currency. And you can change currency rate anytime from here. Old rate transactions or related action will be saved in system with rate. New updated rate will be only effective from the next action, and it will not change earlier rates. Text tab. Here, you can define all possible taxes applicable to your company. Here, you can define any tax as default tax, so it applies in all generating invoices. You can also change or remove tax at the time of invoice generation. In the Invoice tab, you can select invoice format options from available options. Through Department Master, you can define departments. Each task will come under a particular department, and you can get all the reports department-wise. Example, for year 2017-18, you can get collected revenue or margin report department-wide. By clicking SMTP configuration, you can add SMTP server details, email ID from which email is to be shot. You can set SMTP email setting for each employee from the Employee SMTP button, and if SMTP is not configured for particular employee login, default admin login SMTP email will be used as email outgoing. Now, start a new financial year. You can start the new financial year by closing a particular year from here. By doing this, recurring services will automatically be applied in the next year as well. And here, you can also activate different financial year cycle from financial year page. And later, you can assign particular year to any client. And you can close all financial years separately. Through internal help, you can set up internal help required for a particular task. It will be visible to the particular employee working on that task. Same can be accessed through the internal help list. Role management is also a very important part. Through defined roles, you can define roles. Let's create role name manager role. Now, saving role name, whole application page's name will appear below, where you can manage rights for each page through view. By unchecking this box, particular page will not appear in applied role employee login. By update, you can manage edit and update rights for a particular page. By insert, you can manage new entry addition rights that are useful for employee, client, taskmaster pages. By delete, you can manage delete or active or inactive rights for a particular page. Then, by clicking on Assign Rights, data will be saved. You can also cancel any right of an employee whenever required. So, here we are giving a few sets, few rights in manager role. By clicking on Assign Role, we can assign a role to a particular employee. Here, we assign manager role to Chris. So, Chris will see pages according to a given role, and you can assign one role to multiple employees. Through role list, you can see different roles created. You can also do necessary edits here. Through hierarchy, you can set hierarchy by giving rights of an employee from this drop-down. Here, we giving rights of Jason and Nikki to Chris. So now Chris can see all related updates of their work and can make entry on behalf of them. Through inward right, rights can be given to an employee so that he or she can see the inward documents uploaded through the client login. Now comes email or SMS configuration. On clicking this tab, you can see the list of auto emails and SMSs that fired automatically for a particular transaction or event like on invoice creation, inward creation, client creation due dates related, task completion reports, daily email summary related, and much more. There are more than 80 types of notifications. So you can make it on and off from here by clicking this tab. Using reset password. Password can be reset and viewed for employee as well as client. Also, notification can be sent through SMS and email. Under mobile notification configuration, you can see the list of pop-up notifications for mobile. These notifications can be configured